Shangqiu Changshan Environmental Protection Machinery Equipment Co., Ltd. specializes in producing waste tire refining equipment, aluminum plastic refining equipment, circuit board pyrolysis equipment, photovoltaic panel pyrolysis equipment, electric melting pyrolysis equipment, crude oil waste oil distillation equipment, rubber powder semi-continuous refining equipment supporting centralized desulfurization and dust removal system, and other supporting engineering and technical services for refining equipment. Our company has 10 years of industry experience, and with the most sincere service and excellent product quality, we have received unanimous praise from our customers. Waste plastic pyrolysis produces plastic oil and carbon black. Plastic oil 40%到60%, carbon black 30%到50%. Plastic oil contains wax components. Equipment system includes dewaxing system, can purify oil and gas, get clean plastic oil. Plastic oil through the distillation equipment, can get diesel products.